Hernia is often recommended for people who are struggling with the pain of a hernia. For best results, it can be eaten prior to every meal, to lower the chances of developing a hernia. Ginger root. When it comes to reducing abdominal pain and soothing inflammatory conditions, few things are as effective as ginger root. You can consume this remedy in liquid form through concentrated ginger juice, or you can eat raw ginger to give your stomach a healthy boost and reduce much of the pain. It can protect the stomach and esophagus from the buildup of gastric juices, which can happen in the case of a hernia. You can also consume ginger root tea and relieve the pain and inflammation. Lose weight. Obesity is a major risk factor for hernia patients, and it can also slow down the healing process. If you lose weight, your body will be under less physical strain, your posture will improve, and the symptoms may disappear naturally. You should also eat smaller meals, as this will put less pressure on the stomach and sphincter. Alter your diet. Certain foods should be specifically avoided if you wish to prevent or treat a hernia. Spicy and acidic foods and those that are difficult to digest should be avoided if you already have one or are prone to it. These foods can further inflame the stomach lining, making it more difficult for the healing process. Black pepper powder. Black pepper powder is useful for more than simply flavoring food. Black pepper has been associated with soothing stomach issues and reducing inflammation of the gut. It can also help suppress acid reflux and stimulate healing in those parts of the body that may have been compromised when the organ began to push through the cavity wall. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.